What if I told you there's a fish that makes art to find love? Meet the Japanese pufferfish. This tiny fish spends days creating huge, perfectly symmetrical circles in the sand. The patterns are so detailed that they look like underwater. Crop circles. Why? To impress a female. If she likes his artwork, she lays her eggs in the center. But if she's not impressed, he has to start all over again. Talk about dedication. Would you be impressed by this masterpiece? Comment below, and don't forget to follow for more crazy animal facts.